Today is a very historic moment in Texas A&M's history. President Welsh represents a servant leader, an advocate, and a friend.
President Welsh, we congratulate you today on your investiture as president of Texas A&M University.
Whereas Mark Welsh believes that leadership is a gift. It's given by those who follow, but you have to be worthy of it.
The Texas A&M University system confers upon you right now the title President of Texas A&M University. Congratulations, President Welsh.
For my dad, people are the mission. He sets the example for how we should respect, engage, and honor those around us.
I am so grateful to all of you for being here. Those family introductions may give you a sense of why I love this university so much, but there's lots of other reasons. A lot of it has to do with the fact that Aggies leave here and they go on to do great things. It's about our mission. It's about the people who make it possible, the students who benefit from it, and the institution that brings us together and gives us purpose. Our job is to prepare Aggies to leave here and make a positive difference in the world. Your ability to inspire students to chase their own dreams and enable others to do the same. I see Texas A&M as a place where everyone feels valued, where everyone has a voice and feels comfortable using it. A place where no one needs to read our core values because you see and hear them everywhere you go on campus. I see an A&M where all of us embrace the spirit of Aggieland.